Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and in today's video we're going to talk about CashApp Bitcoin tutorial. First, make sure your CashApp is updated and you have verified your identity. To access Bitcoin features, CashApp will ask you for some basic info like your name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your SSN. Once done, open your Cash App and look at the bottom of the screen. Tap little investing icon and you will see two tabs, one for stocks and one for Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin. So now you will see the current price of Bitcoin, your balance, and the option to buy or sell. To buy, just hit buy, enter the amount, and you want to confirm your purchase. Then the Bitcoin will now show up in your Cash App balance. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell to get notified every time we upload any videos you want. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care till then.